Hello, Ranger Delta 2 here. I got a little package. And this came from like all the way from Thailand. I think the capital and one of the districts. And this is some, anime merch. I just wanted to do a video on it. And I got a special thing to open it. And it's from one of my favorite animes. Just recently recommended by Jap Friend. But there's like a special unboxing video, I guess, to say some anime merch. I don't got like a bunch of them. I wanted to get some posters of the anime I've seen. I'm also buy a bunch of with personal stuff. Anime wise, I only got some clothes, shirts and stuff. I'm not big like weeaboo. I'd like to have a pillow, a waffle pillow. But so far, I mostly buy, like, things I buy wise is mostly just, like, gun parts and I have, like, fucking 4 stocks, I should say, at the moment. And I buy, like, military, decor, like, antique stuff, historical decor, historical paintings, whatever. I used to own a Confederate painting that was worth $400 youth gallery, and other cool stuff, just blades. I like collecting shit, but I want to do this special unboxing video and show you what I got. Well, also I wanted to show you my my Tanto they got. I need to oil it and sharpen it, of course. There's like a little for the special unboxing. I know it's a bit extreme to use a fucking Japanese dagger or whatever. Well, I don't know if it's from actual Japan, but it's cool. Got it from like a friend for free. Latino woman. Her son used to own the sword, and basically she gave it to me. But yeah, this is my Tanto I have had since 2016. It's a favorite of mine. I'll be using it. This is gonna be fucking hard. Oh, fuck. This is hard. I have to be careful because what's inside, what's it made of. Oh, got it. I'm gonna keep this box too. Oh, shit. I gotta sharpen this fucking tunnel too. It's really dull. And I need to oil it. But I need a proper sharpener for it. Definitely not Japanese skill. Or ninja, whatever. You can say that at least. And bum 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 but bum 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 bum. Oh, what's inside? Oh shit, I still got some wrapping. Oh, there we go. That works. I'm gonna keep this box, but I like it. Store it. Okay. Inside. I know what's inside. Whoa! It's a plushie. It's a wild ringy. A wild ringy has appeared. I'm probably gonna hang this on like a wall or something. Her on the wall, I should say. And this is, I don't know if it's, it says it's made in China, but it's like, it says Japan on it. I have a Japanese view, maybe you can translate what the hell it says with Japanese wise. But, this is my little Rangy plushie. Woo! This is, I like this one. There's another one I've seen that was like this. But it didn't have her, like, signature eyes that I like. What's it? Let's see this. I don't know if it's Chinese or Japanese.
So are you Chinese or Japanese?
That's Japanese. Oh, shit. It's the Japanese, I believe. I don't know what the hell it says. This is made in China. I guess it was probably sold in Japan, maybe? You know, I thought originally it was made in Japan. I gotta say, for a plushie, I mean, made in China, I liked it. I like the feel of it. The cloth is like really, I love it. It's really soft. I love it. For a plushie wise. I mean, in my opinion, I know some people love like plushies and stuff. Whatever. To me, it's like a stuffed animal, I guess. I could say. Fucking sorry if I trigger you or something. Your little feet or toes. It's sort of like it's what's it called? A chibi version of her, in a way. And if you like this or any more like these sort of videos, I'll post more. But this is a Rangy and her twin tails. And I thought this was originally 2001 because the show is pretty old. But no, I think the show came out in 2001. But no, it's like 2015. This is 2015 there. I gotta go. Hope you enjoyed the video. And peace out.